What's up, everybody? Today I am gonna be around Mount St. Helens. We're gonna try and drive up and get as close as we can to the mountain. I have my new drone. I'm gonna be taking that with me. I'm gonna bring that up and we're gonna see what kind of footage we can get of the volcano, mountain, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I'm with my parents. They are over here in the vehicle. But yeah, so we are gonna run up there and see what we can find. Let's go. So we were going to try and drive up to get as close as we could to Mount St. Helens. Ran into a little issue. I don't know if you guys can see that. Road's blocked off. So we are going to act like we didn't see it and run it over. Not actually. This is Lenora Helens' thoughts on the sign. We're going to try and figure something else out, because we are not going to be those people that go around a sign. So
no, but it'd be my luck.
So like we already said, we couldn't get as close as we wanted to Mount St. Helens, which is kind of unfortunate, but the cool thing is the views here are incredible regardless. So you can just pull alongside the road and get to see things like this. Mom and Dad back there taking their pictures. We are gonna see what else we can find. Not really sure if we'll be able to find anything, but yeah. So yeah, we just pulled over alongside the road here. Where I'm at is Yale Lake. This is the lake right here, and then the tip of Mount St. Helens is right there. Hopefully I'll be able to get a better shot with the GoPro, with my new drone. So I'm gonna get it up there and I am gonna show you guys, and I will flash to that footage right now. We took a different route around the mountain, and I think we found a better spot. Look at Pops.
Just look that way.
We encountered about 6 or 7 road closed signs. Pops, what do you have to say? If I can
little frustrated with the road closed signs.
What do you have to say, Pops?
Little frustrated with the road closed signs, but we're making do, and we're hopefully going to get some good shots here. But unfortunately, we're not going to make it up to the lava fields, which I was looking forward to. But we'll just wait till spring.
Yeah, we do our best. Mama Dukes, what about you? What do you have to say?
Glass half full. We're here.
Mom's always glass half full. She's the only one in our crew right now that is glass half full.
Wow.
Mom and I are about to race up the road here. We're racing. She's falling and busting her. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I need you to help me up though, because it's oh, this is not gonna be pretty. Because I want to put my hands down because it's
See where I get my athleticism from.
Oh, okay, come here.
There isn't a trail over here, so we're kind of scoping it out. We're gonna be off-roading a little bit. Could you get one? Would it be cool with you behind me doing the thing?
Yeah.
All right, everybody, that was something. I'm not even really sure what that was. Me driving around and getting some drone shots with my parents. Not really much content. Like I said, we couldn't really go and do what we wanted to do, which was get as close as we could to Mount St. Helens and, you know, show you guys that. But it is what it is. Sometimes those things happen. Leave a like on the video, a comment, or subscribe to show some support for the channel. I appreciate you guys as always, and I will see you guys on the next one.